Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, did you guys know your iPhone quietly keeps tab on what you do? It tracks your location, collects data from your app, and even uses your info to personalize ads. So let me show you how you can shut all that down in just a few minutes. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you need to go ahead and simply open up settings. Inside settings, scroll below, then tap on privacy and security. Just like that, inside here, scroll below again, then tap on tracking. And you need to go ahead and simply turn off this button that says allow apps to request to track. Then switch off tracking for any apps listed below. This prevents app from following your activity across other apps and website. Now head back, scroll below, then tap on analytics and improvements. Now you need to go ahead and simply turn off every options you see, like your iPhone analytics, improve Siri and dictation, and improve health and activity. These features sends users info, motion data, and even your voice to Apple. Turning them off keeps that private. Now after that, you need to go ahead and simply tap on Apple advertising and then disable personalized ads. This stops Apple from using your data to target ads. You'll still see ads, they just won't be based on your behavior. Now inside privacy and security, go ahead and simply tap on location services. Here you will see all the app that uses your location. Tap on the one you don't want tracked and choose never or while using the app. This ensures app only access your location when necessary. After that, scroll down and then tap on system services. Just like that, turn off things like Apple Pay Merchant ID, location-based alerts, and improve maps. You can leave Find My iPhone and emergency call on. Those are important for safety. Still in system services, you can go ahead and simply tap on significant locations and routes. And just like that, inside here, turn it off and tap on clear history. This deletes all your frequent routes and places, so Apple no longer tracks where you go. And that's it. You have just stopped your iPhone from tracking your data, location, and activity. Now your phone and your privacy are completely under your control. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.